What are the main industries on Ellesmere Island? Have you ever wondered what keeps the remote Ellesmere Island buzzing with activity? Located in Canada's high Arctic, this island has a unique industrial landscape shaped by its extreme environment. The main industries here are quite different from what you might find in more temperate regions. Let's break it down. First and foremost, scientific research takes center stage on Ellesmere Island. Researchers flock here to study the effects of climate change. The island's rapidly changing environment, including melting ice and shifting permafrost, makes it a prime location for climate studies. Scientists investigate glaciology, Arctic ecosystems, and wildlife, including polar bears and muskoxen. Temporary research stations and field camps support this vital work, making scientific research the most significant activity on the island. Next, we have limited resource extraction. Unlike other areas in the Canadian Arctic, Ellesmere Island does not host active commercial mining operations. The harsh climate, thick ice cover, and logistical challenges have prevented any major mining developments. While some mineral exploration may happen, there is no established mining industry here. Tourism is another area of interest, but it is very limited and specialized. The remoteness and lack of infrastructure make it challenging for tourists to visit. However, there is a small niche for Arctic adventure tourism and ecotourism. Visitors can experience wildlife viewing, including polar bears and Arctic wolves, as well as wilderness adventures. This sector faces high costs and environmental protection concerns, keeping it on a small scale. Traditional Inuit activities also play a role in the local economy. Although the island is sparsely populated, Indigenous Inuit communities have a rich history of subsistence hunting and trapping. These traditional practices remain culturally and economically significant for the few residents living on the island. Lastly, it is important to note that there are no major transportation or shipping industries on Ellesmere Island. The coastal waters are only navigable during a brief summer season and are complicated by sea ice and icebergs. This limits any significant commercial shipping or transportation activities. In summary, Ellesmere Island's main industries revolve around scientific research, limited tourism, and traditional Inuit activities, with no large-scale commercial mining or resource extraction. Its unique position as a natural laboratory for Arctic climate and ecosystems makes it a fascinating place within the polar regions.